What if the world's most humble root vegetable held the key to crafting one of Japan's most iconic liquors? Shochu, a drink loved for its smooth taste and cultural significance, begins its journey in fields where millions of sweet potatoes are nurtured with precision. Yet, as tradition meets cutting-edge technology, questions arise. Has modern innovation enhanced this craft or overshadowed its soul? Today, we'll take you through this captivating process, uncovering the secrets behind Japan's sweet potato shochu. Stay until the end to discover the harmony between nature, science, and tradition. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Farm Marvels for more exciting stories. In Kagoshima, Japan's sweet potato capital, over 350,000 tons of this versatile crop are harvested annually. These aren't just any tubers. They are the foundation of imo shochu, which dominates 60% of Japan's distilled liquor market. Behind this impressive scale is a fusion of advanced machinery and traditional farming practices. The process begins with specially designed harvesting machines. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, these machines dig into the soil, gently lifting the tubers to avoid damage. Each harvester can process up to 2 hectares a day, a feat that was once impossible with manual labor alone. Yet, it's not all about machines. Farmers still play a critical role, guiding these high-tech tools to ensure every tuber meets quality standards. As the tubers are unearthed, onboard cleaning systems shake off soil and debris, leaving them ready for transport. This combination of human expertise and mechanical precision allows Kagoshima's farmers to meet growing global demand for shochu. Upon arrival at the distillery, the sweet potatoes are thoroughly cleaned using high-pressure water jets. This step is more than a simple wash. It's the first line of quality control, ensuring no impurities affect the flavor of the final product. Next comes the steaming process. In massive industrial vats, the sweet potatoes are steamed at a controlled 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, a precise temperature that preserves their natural sweetness while softening their texture. As the steam rises, a sweet, earthy aroma fills the air, a sensory prelude to the magic that lies ahead. The softened sweet potatoes are mashed into a fine paste and combined with rice and carefully selected yeast, This blend is poured into fermentation tanks, where the starches begin their transformation into alcohol. Modern distilleries often use stainless steel tanks for temperature consistency, but many also incorporate traditional wooden barrels, believing that the natural materials add subtle flavor notes. The fermentation process is a delicate balance. During the initial stage, lasting 7 days, the yeast breaks down sugars into alcohol. The secondary fermentation, extending up to 2 weeks, refines the liquid, enhancing its depth and aroma. This interplay between old and new has sparked debate among distillers. Does technology improve the flavor or strip away the soul of Shochu? Regardless, one thing is clear: each bottle carries the essence of craftsmanship. After fermentation, the mixture is ready for distillation. Using vacuum distillation, a modern innovation, the alcohol is extracted at lower temperatures, preserving the delicate flavors of the sweet potatoes. The vapors rise and condense, forming the crystal-clear essence of Shochu. Vacuum distillation has revolutionized the industry, creating a smoother, more refined drink that appeals to both traditional and modern palates. By 2024, Japan exported over 50 million liters of Shochu, with top markets including the US, China, and Australia. Once distilled, Shochu isn't rushed to market. It is aged in large tanks, sometimes for up to 3 years, to mellow its flavors and achieve the perfect balance. Some distilleries experiment with aging in clay pots or oak barrels, adding unique character to their creations. Bottling is an automated marvel, ensuring hygiene and precision. For premium brands, hand-signed labels add a personal touch, reminding consumers of the care behind each bottle. When the seal is broken, the aroma that escapes tells a story of patience and perfection. Shochu is more than a drink. It's a symbol of Japan's ability to blend tradition with innovation. With an alcohol content of 25%, it's versatile. Sip it neat, mix it with water, or enjoy it with soda. Its lower alcohol content compared to whiskey or vodka also makes it a healthier choice for modern consumers. Sustainability is another key to its appeal. Leftover sweet potato mash is repurposed as animal feed or converted into bioenergy, making Shochu production a model for eco-friendly agriculture. From the fertile fields of Kagoshima to distilleries where tradition meets technology, the journey of sweet potatoes to Shochu showcases the harmony between nature and human ingenuity. Every sip tells a story, a tale of dedication, innovation, and respect for the earth. So, what's your take? Does Shochu symbolize the future of sustainable agriculture? Or does it remain a timeless cultural treasure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Farm Marvels for more stories that connect you to the wonders of farming and food production. See you in the next video.